In this video, I will show you 7 cool free apps that pays PayPal money from shopping, watching trailers, playing games, searching the internet, and selling your old DVDs. This video is gonna be amazing for you guys, and we're gonna start right now. What's up everyone, this is Rifat Abu Hassan, and in this channel I share with you different ways of making money online and generating passive income. So if this is the first time for you on my channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel because I come up with videos like this every single week that teach you how to do that. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Okay, here are the 7 apps that you can make money with via PayPal. This is my personal preference that I selected for you because they offer many cool options so that you can make money doing what you like the most, which is really cool. All these apps are free to download to your phone and it pays to your PayPal account. And some actually would give an option to transfer funds into your bank account, but all these are available on Apple Store and Google Play. So let's jump into those apps. So the first app, you guys, is called Dosh. And Dosh is a cashback application that searches all available coupons, promotion codes, and rebates and give you cashback from thousands of restaurant and retail stores. You will need to create an account and link your credit card to make all the purchases. Now, the reason they are asking you to add a credit card to your account is that they need to verify the purchases that will earn you cashback. It will also tell them to find the cashback opportunities for you that you may not know about. And here is the cool thing. They will give you a $5 bonus for just downloading the application and linking your credit card to your account, which is really cool. And once you're done all of this, you will come to the application home screen and you can find all the available retail stores and restaurants such as the brands that we have here that you can shop and earn cashback from. Another cool thing about Dosh is that they have a referral program. So when you share your referral link with friends or anyone who wants free money, or you know that they like eating at a specific restaurant or do shopping, and if they sign up and use the application, they will pay you again $5 when your referrals use the apps. So this app is great for students and those on a budget and individuals that shop online frequently because you will be able to get your money back for shopping that you were already doing. Also with Dosh, you can transfer money into your PayPal account or even to your bank account. Now, we're gonna talk about some disadvantage here. You can only withdraw money with Dosh if you reach $25 or higher. Now, this is the only app that's in our list that doesn't pay you instantly, unlike the 6 other apps that we're gonna talk about in a few moments. Also, unfortunately, at the time, Dosh is only available for the United States residents. So you will not be able to see the app on the Apple or the Google Store if you're not a US resident. And users of US residents must have a US-based phone number. So if you are living in the US, this app is great for you because it does not require you to do anything except for using it whenever you shop. The second app, you guys, is called OneCue. And this is an application that pays you for answering simple questions. Really simple question, you guys. It's a customer engagement platform that helps companies interact with their customers. And check that out, you guys. They will pay you an instant 50 cents for every time you answer a simple question. And how simple they are, check that out. These are some examples of the questions that they will ask. Where do you get your morning? What is your favorite pizza toppings? What candidate do you plan to vote for? What sort of table do you currently have? Super simple questions that will take you 2 to 3 words and it won't take you more than seconds to answer. And they will pay you instantly into your PayPal account So there is no need to wait until you reach a threshold before you can cash out your money, like the other application that we talked about. And you can see here from the reviews that they have a 4.2 rating out of 5, which is high from a total of 19,500 reviewers, which is really high for this application. The third app on our list, you guys, is called QueueMe. And this is another application where you are paid to do surveys along with shopping online and searching the net, like Google and Bing. You can see here some examples of the companies that you can use QueueMe with, like Google and Bing for searching. You can shop at eBay, Amazon, Walmart, Target, and this is to name just a few of the many companies that you can use QueueMe to earn money. So if we look at the application, it will look like that in the Google's Play. And here from the application, you can see what you can actually earn and how you can save money. So it says here, earn cash by answering surveys to earn cash rewards, and share with friends to earn more. So you can even refer your link to your friends so that you can earn money and start earning straight away. So they will pay you straight away into your PayPal account. And also you can save money by, hold on, I didn't know that they have coupons. So they have here coupons, deals and offers so that they can get discounts on different offers. And also you can save money on your favorite brands and like the best deals to keep for later. And also here it gives you options of how you can spend your rewards. So you can get an instant cash at any time, which is paid to your PayPal with no minimum amounts, as we mentioned, or you can select a gift card for you to enjoy. So they have a good also rating, a high rating actually, out of 11,000 people, 4.4 out of 5, which is really high. So this is one of the greatest websites that actually I've used before. I stopped using it for a while for some reasons, but it's one of the best apps that I have a good experience with. The fourth application that we're gonna talk about, guys, is called Field Agent. So if you are a community person who likes to go out into your community or city and be active with your community, then this is for you. And as you can see here, that they have multiple businesses in different sectors, from consumer packaged goods to retailers to agencies, academics, restaurants and beverages. And all these sectors offer local jobs for you so that you can join and earn money. And this is worldwide, you guys. So you can actually use this application in many countries in the world, almost in each continent. And if you go to the top of this page where it says make money with your phone, become an agent, and if you click on app users, here you have a video that explains all about this app and how you can use it. So briefly, after you sign up, here. So after you download the application and you complete your agent profile, you can find all the local jobs around you and select what suit you. And basically, what are the jobs, you guys? It can be just doing a survey or go to an actual store and take pictures of specific things, or take a shot of a video shot and answer some simple questions about what you see. And so the reason for that is that they want to have a feedback on the local stores from the consumer's eyes. And this is cool, guys, because you can basically do this while you're doing your routine shopping, or basically hanging around the house and checking the different opportunities that's around your house. that you can earn money from. So after you download the application, and actually you can read here some of the features that they have. So Field Agents pays you for successfully completing small jobs as you're doing what you're already doing, shopping in stores, running errands, or maybe just hanging out your home. They'll ask you to take photos, answer questions, and express your opinion, or execute other small tasks, complete the job accurately, and you can get paid. So they have a good rating here, 4.7 out of 5, and people have continuously reported that they have a good experience with this application worldwide. The fifth app, you guys, is called App Trailers. Hey, do you like watching trailers? If you do, then you will have fun with this application, because this app will pay you for watching hot new application. Now, what's cool here is that this company provides information for users who want to know about new applications and how they work. So you watch the video and find out about the new apps and earn money and earn points, which then you can convert to cash. So if we click on Google Play, you can see here this is how the application will look like, and you can check here the different trailers that you can watch. So what you would do is you would select your trailer that you want to watch and click on that, and then start watching. So when you're done watching your video, you click on a button to alert the app that you have completed the task, and you will be awarded 5 points regardless of the length of the video. So what you can do is you can cash these points out into your PayPal account, or transfer it into gift cards that you can use in different stores or different websites, such as Google Play or iTunes, Starbucks or Amazon, or different other retailers, which is really cool. The sixth application, you guys, is called Doclutter. And with this application, you can sell your old electronics online and get paid instantly into your PayPal account. Now, what's nice with this application, you guys, is that you can bring your stuff, whether it's CD or any kind of electronics, with a barcode, and you scan your barcode, and after that you will get an offer for this item, because it will recognize it and it will give you instantly an offer. And if you accept that offer, you will be asked to mail in your item, and you will get fast next day payment when your item is received. How cool is that? So you can clean out your closet from the old stuff that you have and get paid. Now, if you have old electronics and you are interested in selling them through Doclutter, I have a free gift code for you that will give you a $5 discount on your order that I will link in the description below. The last application in our list today, guys, is called Appflame. And I'm not a kind of, I don't play much games on my phone, but if you are a mobile gamer, then you will like this app, because you can enjoy playing games and earn money at the same time. So here you'll find different games, new games that you can select from, and also you can download them for free and start playing. So you will get rewarded in points for every time you play a game for a certain period of time. So for each game you play, you will be rewarded with what is called M coins. So the longer you play, the more coin that you will collect, which then you can transfer into PayPal account, or you can exchange with gift cards for Amazon and Google Play and more. So all these games are free to download, as we mentioned, and you get to download game apps based on your personal preference and on those applications that you already have on your phone. So how awesome is that, you guys? You can enjoy playing games, your favorite games, and earn cash at the same time. They will also give you an invite code that you can give to your friends who also like gaming, and you will earn extra point or extra bonus coins on that. So if you are interested, I will leave the code in the description below, so go and check it out. So there you go, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment below if you did, and hit that thumbs up because it really helped me to put content like this for you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you didn't already to receive more from me. This is Rifat Abu Hassan, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.